Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. The Shiba Inu, which marked the second half of the 2021 bull season and caught a very serious upward trend, recorded an increase of 9% only today. The number of addresses holding SHIB broke a new record after the price increase with the increase in burning rates. According to Dune Analytics data, the number of users is increasing on the DEX, the decentralized exchange platform, Shiba Swap, launched by the Shiba team. As of August 25, Shiba Swap broke a record in this sense, and the number of people interacting with the stock market reached 145,660. The meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has managed to attract attention with the metaverse and GameFi projects it has announced one after the other. As we recently shared with you, the developers, who announced the mobile game Shiba Eternity, are planning to announce the game at Gamescom, according to the allegations on Twitter. Shiba Inu's mobile game Shiba Eternity, which has attracted attention recently, is eagerly awaited. According to recent allegations, Shiba Inu game consultant William Voke has announced that he will be attending Gamescom, the world's popular video game trade fair. Recently, Voke announced on Twitter that it will present Shiba Inu P2E game Shiba Eternity at its next trade show. Adding a picture to a tweet of the suitcases he plans to bring to the Gamescom event, Voke challenged SHIB fans to guess what was inside. In fact, it all started with this announcement. The news of the expected game's future caused an increase in the number of investors. We anticipate that institutional investors will enter the Shiba Inu in the future. Another development that made the Shiba price soar was the increase in token burn rates. Shiba Inu's token burn rate has skyrocketed, reaching 40% of its total supply. However, the number of investors holding SHIB in their wallet also set a new record. With the 9% rally that came with all this catalyst, the short liquidation of more than $1.2 million took place. The flattening of the 20-day EMA and the RSI near the midpoint suggest that the SHIB may remain range-bound for the next few days. If the price stays below the 20-day EMA, the bear's next target will be $0.000012. A break below this support opens the doors for a decline to $0.000010. Alternatively, if the price rallies above $0.000014, the Shiba Inu bulls could start their upward journey towards $0.000018. According to analyst Rakesh Upadhyay, the bulls will then have to break through this hurdle to signal the start of a new uptrend. According to Voke, the consultant for the SHIB game, they will do extensive testing to make sure the game is free of technical bugs. This Shiba Eternity will be available to the public after testing is complete. The main purpose of the tests is to ensure that users have access to an extremely smooth gaming experience when the game is released. The expected launch date of Shiba Eternity matches similar speculation by Shiba Inu lead developer Shitoshi Kusama. The Shiba Inu team had previously launched the Shiba Eternity for the first round of testing in Vietnam. The game has been successfully tested, with over 1,000 downloads since its launch. William Voke stated that the test passed with relatively good performance and response time. Voke shared interesting details about the game, as well as the release date of Shiba Eternity. Accordingly, he stated that besides SHIB, Shiba Eternity was also inspired by Hearthstone, which he described as the best card game on the market. He added that the development team wanted to go beyond the 10,000 Shiboshi characters used in the game. We wanted to make Shiba Eternity in 3D and look as good on mobile as it does on other devices. We tried to be clever to fit the cards into the world and the mythology of the Shiba Inu world. The SHIB burn data tracking platform reports that the community has sent a total of 276.28 million SHIB to burn addresses in 22 separate transactions in the last 24 hours. Shiba Bay played a big part in the burns of the last day, destroying 160.54 million SHIB in a single transaction. Shiba Bay, a newly released BEP20 token, is focusing on building burn mechanisms for SHIB. He organized a burning event for this. Accordingly, it destroyed a total of 160.54 million SHIB in a single transaction. All these developments have caused us to ask the question, is the Shiba Inu rising from the ashes? Yes, it is reborn from the ashes. This must be a true word for cryptocurrency. We can say that Shiba, which started its adventure as a meme coin, has now started to leave the status of a meme coin. We are now seeing it referred to as a more serious cryptocurrency rather than a meme coin. Of course, in this case, the contribution of the administration and especially the society is enormous. As Bitcoin continues to stall, the critical metric SHIB shows that price action is less likely to be influenced by the market. Considering Bitcoin's high correlation with stocks, SHIB is more likely to act independently. According to Into the Block, the correlation with Bitcoin indicator helps to understand how the price of an asset changes relative to Bitcoin price. Since the cryptocurrency market is still in its infancy, the majority of altcoins have a high correlation with Bitcoin. This means that Bitcoin sets altcoin prices. Altcoins that have a low or negative correlation with Bitcoin will usually increase if the Bitcoin price underperforms. After posting a 35% increase in early August, the Shiba Inu started to diverge from Bitcoin and other altcoins. Of course, this is an estimate based on our analysis. We see that it is slowly starting to separate from other coins. Shiba Inu game consultant William Voke has announced that he will attend Gamescom, the world's largest video game fair. Voke recently announced on Twitter that he will be attending the trade show to showcase Shiba's game project called Shiba Eternity. The experienced game developer also clarified a few issues that the Shiba Inu community was curious about. In his tweet, the famous game developer said, "Voke is going to Gamescom to show Shiba Eternity." The game expert added an image to the tweet, showing 2 bags he plans to take to Gamescom, asking SHIB enthusiasts to guess what might be in the bag. Voke said, "Guess what's in the bottom bag?" The clue is in the bag above, which attracted great attention from the community. This year's Gamescom event is scheduled to run from August 24th to August 28th. While all these developments were taking place, the movements of Ethereum whales began to attract attention. Why Ethereum whales sold $37.3 million Shiba Inu? Actually, this is something that needs to be talked about. Because the number is really big. Data provided by WhaleStats shows that Ethereum whales sold millions of Shiba Inu on August 24th. Unaware of the upcoming rally, the whales transferred a large amount of Shiba into the wallets of the lucky whales. Ethereum whales disposed of $37.3 million worth of Shiba Inu on August 24th. Nearly 3 trillion SHIB have been sold by these whales in the last 24 hours. Accompanied by the sales, the whales drastically reduced their SHIB portfolio. Thus, the amount of SHIB covering whale wallets decreased from $157 million to $119,787,272. It is quite remarkable that whales are selling over $2.8 trillion of SHIB. According to the data, these whales sold 1.4 trillion SHIB in just one night. So why are Ethereum whales shrinking their SHIB positions out of the blue? SHIB recently experienced a small 3% increase in the market. This prompted the whales to seize the opportunity for profit. The whales who have sold more than 1.5 trillion SHIBs have sold enough SHIB to drop them from 3rd to 5th in the HODL rankings. Thus, they pocketed a total of $19 million. Since Monday, Ethereum whales have made huge profits from the recent surge in SHIB. However, whales may return again, as the top 100 ETH whale lists routinely purchase the token after each sale. Whales are likely to take an entry position at the next crash and benefit from the dips. SHIB, the second largest meme token by market capitalization, had an outlier rally exceeding 50% last month. Some investors are hoping that the meme token will reach a value of 1 cent. As the SHIB value continues to rise, Ethereum whales may try to sell more SHIBs in the near future. However, as seen from the rally of the day, sometimes whales can make timing mistakes. Today, a mysterious whale bought 52.47 billion Shiba Inu in a massive transaction. After the trade, SHIB price gained more than 9%. According to Etherscan.io data, the anonymous whale recently made a large transaction, purchasing a total of $756,630 SHIB. The whale currently has 657.40 billion SHIB in its wallet, worth $9.47 million. The Shiba Inu has been trading between $0.000125/0.00001387 since August 19. After selling whales yesterday, it gained a strong momentum today, accompanied by large purchases. Thus, it regained its position as the most held token among the top 1,000 ETH whales. Yes, Ethereum whales carry risks for small investors. Their actions can create risks for small investors. In this respect, even though the Shiba Inu has advantages, in our opinion, these whale movements are its most important disadvantage. Sudden movements can affect the price of the Shiba Inu. In this respect, we advise small investors to be careful. Cryptocurrency market is a risky market. You are responsible for your own investments. What is described here is not investment advice. So what is the price target of the Shiba Inu? It is the second largest meme token by market capitalization and ranks first in terms of expanding its ecosystem. So much so that Dogecoin developers started copying the steps taken by SHIB. With Dogechain, we may soon see Dogecoin's protocols in DeFi, NFT and more. How much SHIB? The second largest meme token completed the construction of all this a long time ago and is striving for more. It became one of the best performing cryptocurrencies with an increase of 48 million% in 2021. Shiba Inu was born in 2020 as an ERC20 token capitalizing on the popularity of Dogecoin. Shiba Inu was another Dogecoin imitator but has since developed its fundamentals. Today, Shiba Inu has a metaverse platform, DEX, and automatic token burning mechanisms. SHIB is also increasingly being adopted for payments, and the number of organizations that accept Shiba Inu is increasing. Shiba Inu tokenomics are among the most interesting in crypto. Shiba Inu started with 1 quadrillion tokens. Half of it was sent to Vitalik Buterin's Ethereum wallet. The Ethereum founder donated some of it to India, but then burned almost all of it with the balances returned to him. This meant that the total supply would fall by 50%. On the other hand, Vitalik can sell the tokens of some projects and donate them. SHIB burning the tokens directly may be due to the fact that he does not want to harm the project because he sees the future of the project. Many cryptocurrency analyses on the internet indicate that the SHIB price will outperform the overall market. Coin Price Forecast expects the Shiba Inu to end 2022 at $0.0000002175, or experience an 88% increase from May 2022 prices. Between 2025 and 2030, they think the price will move between $0.00004313 and $0.00007046. Wallet Investor, on the other hand, thinks that the SHIB price will end 2022 with a price of $0.00000346. They also have an ambitious price target of $0.000121 for the next 5 years. CoinsKit has a relatively tougher Shiba Inu price forecast than most analysts. In the long term, CoinsKit expects the Shiba Inu to trade at a maximum of $0.0002. This means that CoinsKit expects the Shiba Inu to lose 1 0 in 5 to 6 years. ICO Creed does not expect the Shiba Inu to change much in 2022. Their target for 2030 is the highest $0.001. Of course, the realization of this forecast depends on the increase in burns and the decrease in supply. Estimates are made taking into account certain criteria. In our opinion, the Shiba Inu can come to good places in 10 years. So there is still a long way to go. The estimates we make or the data we obtain here are not precise. The cryptocurrency market is a risky market and very volatile. Please take this into consideration as well. A Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange has added BONE, an important token for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Singapore-based global cryptocurrency exchange MEXC Global has accumulated 11.63 million BONE Shiba Swap, BONE. Then it launched a special rewards event for BONE. Singapore-based leading cryptocurrency exchange MEXC Global has collaborated with BONE Shiba Swap, BONE, the management token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Launched a special sign-up, deposit and trade event. The leading cryptocurrency exchange offers a prize pool of 5,555 BONE for new traders. The event will end on August 30, 2022. Shortly after the event, BONE experienced an increase in demand. BONE price took back $1. It then rose 30% to $1.14. Currently, BONE is changing hands at $1.06, up 4%. Its 24-hour trading volume is $12,459,127 while its market cap is $78.4 million. This makes it the 308th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It allows SHIB investors to vote on new and upcoming proposals and DAO with a maximum supply of 250 million tokens. BONE is set to be used by Shibarium as a native gas token to transact on the blockchain. Also, BONE is a management token of the Shiba Swap ecosystem. Allows the Shiba Inu community to vote for upcoming offers. The more bonus a user keeps, the more their votes will weigh on these future efforts. And BONE have teamed up to create Shiba Swap, the next evolution in DeFi platforms. Shiba Swap also allows the Shiba community to access upcoming NFTs or additional tools such as portfolio trackers. SHIB token has built its own ecosystem in a short time. So what awaits Shiba Inu, SHIB, investors? How will the growing ecosystem affect the price? Realizing the dream of almost all meme tokens, SHIB has accomplished successful projects in many fields. But it still won't be able to reach $1 with its current supply. Here are the details. Many investors buy SHIB and similar 00 meme tokens with the dream of $1. Let's revisit this issue before we talk about the latest developments about SHIB. First off, SHIB won't be $1. It is enough to know 4 transactions to see this. SHIB with a supply of 549 trillion is still quite abundant despite regular burnings. There are whales holding trillions of SHIBs and mid-size investors buying billions of SHIBs. We will never see a cryptocurrency market that can make all of these trillionaires. I can easily say all this as someone who discovered the SHIB while it was still priced at 8 zeros. If SHIB hits 10, it has a market cap of $67 billion and reaches $0.00012336. When it strikes 10 again, it should reach a market value of $670 billion, which seems impossible even in the long run. If SHIB doesn't produce a new SHIB token and don't give investors 1 SHIB for every 10,000 SHIB tokens, all of this is a fantasy. You need to keep the $1 goal in mind, as it is currently impossible for the SHIB supply to drop from trillions to billions. The fact that the price of 8 zeros fell to 4 zeros last year and the removal of 4 zeros from the price today is certainly not similar. Part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and launched in July 2021, Shiba Swap is a classic decentralized exchange. It facilitates the buying/selling of cryptocurrencies on a peer-to-peer basis. According to the project's white paper, the DEX was launched to provide a safe place for investors to conduct cryptocurrency transactions. Powered by Shiba Inu's three flagship tokens SHIB, Leash, and Bone, Shiba Swap is designed for users to dig, provide liquidity, or bury shares, with returns for any token, as outlined in the project's white paper. Basically, DEX users can stake SHIB to get XSHIB, Leash to get XLeash, and Bone to get T-Bone. When liquidity is provided with any flagship token, a liquidity provider can acquire SHIB FSSLP, Leash FSSLP, or Bone FSSLP. As of today, SHIB is the most held token on Shiba Swap, according to data from Dune Analytics. There were a total of 1,119,593 token holders. This is followed by Leash with 54,044 token holders and Bone with 49,271 token holders. As for the share versions of these flagship tokens, XSHIB was at the top with 59,401 holders. It was followed by T-Bone with 32,782. XLeash had only 9,462 addresses. Trader Peter Brandt recently pointed out a pattern on the SHIB chart. Brandt has now updated his SHIB technical analysis for the second time this month. This time, he says, if SHIB drops below the July low of $0.00001, it will collapse drastically. However, Brandt adds that an increase in SHIB price above the level will confirm the opposite. The experienced analyst states that the head and shoulder formation is a discontinuity. Brandt's recent interest in the Shiba Inu comes as a surprise to his followers, given that he's often focused on Bitcoin. Known for his accurate predictions, the analyst usually studies Bitcoin or traditional markets. However, recently looking at Shiba, Brandt stated that the Shiba Inu should hold the $0.00001310 support, which indicates a buy signal. However, he says, if the trend line breaks, traders may have to sell to protect themselves from significant losses. On the other hand, SHIB incineration operations carried out by the community, the stock exchange and the company continue unabated. However, one of the most important developments of recent times was the announcement of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance. Binance card holders will be able to use SHIB to make purchases and pay their bills at more than 90 million MasterCard merchants worldwide. On the other hand, when we examine the entire crypto money market, the rise expected by all investors, although it occurred in some tokens, remained uninspired and could not be permanent. The market is reeling with challenges as memecoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFT, and virtually every other cryptocurrency continue to stalemate, with most crypto investment vehicles losing their investors almost daily. The same goes for the Shiba Inu, which failed to enter the accelerated rally, and XRP, which unluckily attempted to break through. As mentioned earlier, the Shiba Inu will most likely make another attempt to enter a recovery rally, as the correction seen earlier was not as significant as expected. The coin fell back into the ascending price range and has been moving upwards ever since. On August 25, SHIB added more than 14% to its value at one point, demonstrating the potential for a recovery everyone expected. Unfortunately, investors instantly pushed SHIB down as soon as it hit the psychological threshold of $0.00001500. Unfortunately, the token's value dropped further and reached the local support level ahead of the 50-day moving average. Due to the discrepancies between the large number of technical indicators and the lack of on-chain Shiba Inu data, it is unclear how the price might move in the foreseeable future, especially with the lack of movement in larger assets such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum could start moving towards its next target of $1,500, which is the August 26 option's maximum price. Unfortunately, the price level is inconsistent with any technical support, meaning that this will most likely cause the downtrend to continue. Also, the spread of interest on options suggests that investors are not yet enthusiastic about $2,000. The view from most traders is that the merge update may not be enough to sustain the value of the second largest cryptocurrency, which could see further declines in Ethereum. Ethereum is trading around $1,660 with a slight 2% price correction in the last 24 hours. What is described here is not investment advice. Since the video will be a little long, we wanted to examine the amount of Shiba Inu held by Ethereum whales. WhaleStats, the platform that tracks the transactions and portfolios of the largest Ethereum whales, has revealed which cryptocurrencies the top 500 ETH whales hold most in their portfolios. In his post on his WhaleStats Twitter account, it was seen that the most popular cryptocurrency among the first 500 ETH whales was the popular meme token Shiba Inu. WhaleStats stated that ETH whales have increased the number of SHIBs they hold, reaching a value of $193,310,168 after their last purchase. WhaleStats announced on August 16 that the number of SHIBs held by ETH whales was worth $187,257,510. Accordingly, ETH whales bought about $6 million worth of Shiba Inu in one day. Shiba Inu, which is in 12th place according to CoinGecko data, has increased by 51.5% in the last 7 days. However, SHIB, which has experienced a decrease of 1.1% in the last 24 hours, continues to trade at $0.00001558. After Shiba Inu, the top 500 ETH whales are BitDAO worth $91,397,240, Maker worth $89,037,231, Chainlink worth $76,361,382, Locus worth $75,914,816, $67,430,933, Uniswap worth $63,992,698, Decentraland and Polygon worth $50,679,465. We have just mentioned that whale movements can have negative consequences. Look at the number of Shiba Inu they are holding. They have some truly incredible numbers. At this point, we would like to remind you how important our warnings are. Some of our viewers get angry at us for repeating the same things over and over. People can quickly forget risks. We want to raise awareness of our audience. The reason we constantly remind you of certain things is for your own good. Please understand our attitude. All cryptocurrencies, especially Shiba Inu, carry risk. You are responsible for your own investments. You are also responsible for your own decisions. We do not give you investment advice here. Of course, despite all the obstacles, the Shiba Inu continues to rise and is advancing at full speed. Over the past 2 weeks, the meme coin's decline has identified bearish trendline support. The bullish candlestick on August 25 instantly turned this trendline resistance into support. However, the downward 20 EMA and 50 EMA levels avoided a bullish crossover and resonated with a selling advantage. Also, the fact that price action was close below the 200 EMA strengthened the bearish strength. Therefore, if there is a downside break below the $0.01227 level, the continued bearish action could be extended. In this case, potential targets for Shiba Inu price would be in the range of $0.0117 to $0.0112. A close just above the $0.01227 level will indicate a chance for a reversal. Under these conditions, the Shiba Inu could witness a recovery towards the EMA levels, between the $0.0129 and $0.0133 range. Failure to find a close above the 2-week trendline support could accelerate bearish moves in the coming days. Of course, despite all the obstacles, the Shiba Inu continues to rise and is advancing at full speed. Over the past 2 weeks, the meme coin's decline has identified bearish trendline support. The bullish candlestick on August 25 instantly turned this trendline resistance into support. However, the downward 20 EMA, red, and 50 EMA, cyan, levels avoided a bullish crossover and resonated with a selling advantage. Also, the fact that price action was close below the 200 EMA, green, strengthened the bearish strength. Therefore, if there is a downside break below the $0.01227 level, the continued bearish action could be extended. In this case, potential targets for Shiba Inu price would be in the range of $0.0117 to $0.0112. A close just above the $0.01227 level will indicate a chance for a reversal. Under these conditions, the Shiba Inu could witness a recovery towards the EMA levels, between the $0.0129 and $0.0133 range. Failure to find a close above the 2-week trendline support could accelerate bearish moves in the coming days. To remind you, the Shiba Inu increased its awareness during the big bull period in 2020. SHIB token, which attracted attention for the first time with its price with plenty of zeros on Asian cryptocurrency exchanges, is among the most curious cryptocurrencies in the future. The cryptocurrency, also known as the Doge Killer, is a similar unit released after Dogecoin. SHIB token is an Ethereum-based token. Tesla CEO is known for his big rally with the statements of billionaire Elon Musk. Again, if we need to remember, Microsoft made a post in February 2022. We are going through a period where companies are getting closer to cryptocurrencies day by day. Especially with the increasing popularity of fields such as meme token, metaverse and NFT, giant companies have started to turn to this field. Finally, software giant Microsoft blinked at the crypto world with a post on Twitter. If you remember, Microsoft made a fast entry into the cryptocurrency world by starting to accept Bitcoin, BTC, for Xbox games and mobile content in late 2014. For this reason, the Shiba Inu post made by the company, which is not far from the crypto world, on Twitter is mind-blowing. Can there be a collaboration? Brought questions. Here's what Microsoft shared on Twitter. There are 2 types of dogs in Teams meetings. On the other hand, according to a job posting from Microsoft in early February, the company is currently working on its own Web3 strategies. Finally, it is worth remembering that Microsoft recently bought the game giant Activision Blizzard for $68.7 billion. If we go back in time, Italian fast food restaurant Welly and popular meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu formed a partnership last year. As part of the partnership, Welly also announced that it would use the Shiba Inu as a means of payment. This time came a new move from Welly. Shiba Inu-themed restaurant Welly shared on its Twitter account that it plans to expand globally. Welly, the Shiba Inu-themed restaurant in Naples, Italy, talked about its plans to expand globally. Welly announced these plans on his official Twitter account. Welly used the following statements in his post. Hey Shiba Army, Welly hears you. After hundreds of requests, we are ready to welcome new franchises. Apply for a franchise now on our website. Also, to remind you, with the partnership of Shiba Inu developer Shitoshi Kusama and Naples-based burger restaurant Welly, the burger restaurant went through a complete rebrand. With it, Welly made the meme cryptocurrency the official mascot of the restaurant. In addition to real money, SHIB and Doge payments are also accepted at the restaurant. Besides, the Shiba Inu team sets Welly apart from big fast food restaurant chains like McDonald's and Burger King. Meme cryptocurrencies have started to find a place in almost many areas. As it is known, Many companies have started to prefer cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu and Dogecoin due to their ease of use and transaction speed. According to the latest information, crypto ATM company Bitcoin of America has also added Shiba Inu support. As a reminder, Bitcoin of America also provided support for Dogecoin, the world's largest meme cryptocurrency, last month, which caused a significant increase in the price of Doge. In addition, according to the data of Coin ATM Radar, the number of ATMs of Bitcoin of America in the USA has reached 1841. We shared some news and information about the past and future of the Shiba Inu in general. Remember that the Shiba Inu still has a long way to go. The biggest problem with the Shiba Inu is its high supply. A cryptocurrency with a high supply cannot show very serious rises. This takes time and work. Burns need to be increased. Almost all of these are things that can be done in time. Of course, none of what is described here is investment advice. You are responsible for your own decisions and your own investments. Thank you for watching us. To support us, you can subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to be instantly informed about the latest news.